What time is it?
Window time! I'm Mick and this is Dim, and we're two crazies on this wild journey of life. We study, love and explore this earth full time, and now we've bought a van. Join us while we flip it on its head and turn it into a home every Sunday. We are cutting our windows. We've decided to go with one window over the kitchen and one window at the back where our bed is. We're only going to have a window at our feet.
Sorry, I'm just trying to navigate this garage.
Give you the tiniest little peek.
Found the gun.
All right, that's enough. You're cool, dude. What you doing?
I'm just marking. I'm gonna need to check out these supports here.
So there's actually extra supports here, so we're gonna need to cut them out first. So Dimmy's gonna angle grind. No, Dimmy's not gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Never mind, Dimmy will probably do it.
Obviously being careful because if I go through, I hit the outside and that will show. So I've got to be very careful leaning on and just slowly coming across. And I'm gonna need to do it where the window ends as well. This is an acrylic window. Double glazed, UV resistant. I got it pretty cheap. It was a discontinued size, so we found that on the website, which is really nice. It was pretty much exactly what we were after. The dimensions are about 1,000 by 351.
So that's what we're gonna do first. Try to cut this without cutting that. Good luck.
Just score the line that you're going to cut, and then what I'm using is my arm as a brace.
So I'm just going to trace around the inner edge of the window and make a template. We're going to need the template extremely accurate, so we've been measuring the width and the length, and we're going to put it onto this template and make sure it's exact. We've only got this tiny bit of rim on the outside to stick the window down. We're needing this internal measurement, which is the hole we're cutting into the van, to be extremely accurate. Leg position, 10 out of 10. Can you tell the difference? Nope. So we've measured from the cardboard to here so that it's level.
Just drilling some pilot holes. Yep, she's gone.
Oh, it is nearly like just here, like right here. Only right there. Fits like a glove. Big fat thumbs up.
If I could thumbs up with my toes, I would be doing that right now. So I'm giving it a bit of a file. Nothing too coarse, just to rub off the edges. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. It's just so, you know, it's just agitating the surface a bit, just so it grabs a bit better, and I'm just kind of smoothing it out so it's smooth.
Alright, so now we're taping the edges so that we can put rust guard onto the free metal. And we're taping the edges just because, of course, if any drips happen, it's a medium grey, so if any drips happen, it's going onto the white outside of the van and probably won't look so nice. Anyway, Dimmy's filed down the edges of the hole, and we're just gonna rust guard, and then we're gonna leave the rust guard to set for a bit, and then we're gonna tackle the next window. To the window, to the wall, to the sweat drips down my. Here goes second window. See you later, scary man with balls. The hole is cut, and we've just rust guarded it. So they're both ready for window installation. Quick break to feed these guys. Farmer Dimmy.
Farmer Dimmy.
You got a bit of hay as well. So, riveting. We made a couple of boo-boos. When you're riveting, if this is kind of the window that you got, remember that there's the inner panel that runs inside. So do it closer to the edge rather than closer to the window. Because I'll go inside and show you what happened. That one's like gone halfway through this. So go a little bit higher just to avoid that. So we're just going to stick at that. And this one down here, we just went a bit too close to that rim. So go further out on the other side. We're going to make a lot of mistakes building this van. But like, you just learn from your mistakes, and we're just gonna tell you everything. With stop, this is how you can do it better, because that's the only way you learn. So come on our journey of learning about how much we fuck up. We're rust guarding. Next, we're gonna grab the window and we're gonna sticker the edges of the window, and also sticker the holes, just so that everything is waterproof, pretty much. And then put it on, and then we'll probably do we'll do the rivets. And when we do the rivets, that'll push the sticker through and just make sure that it's, what am I trying to say? More
Sealed.
Sealed. This is a rivet.
This was not grab.
Yeah, look at the 16.
world by storm. We're gonna stick at this window, get it on as quickly as we can, and then call it a night, have a pizza.
We're nearly done. We can't wait for pizza. We're just doing the last little bits of rivets and then we're gonna do some sticker and we're done. We're covered in sticker. They smell like terps.
But we got 2 windows.
But we're done. We got 2 windows done. Well, 2 windows full stop.
We're feeling accomplished. And I feel like everything up in the van was waiting on the windows. So now that we've ticked that off, we can go like full speed ahead on everything else, which is super exciting. And we go.